Hi everyone, my name is Luis Vega. I work for Realty Corp. This is an easy process. Some people don't know what to do. The first thing, you need to go to the bank and get a pre-approval. But we make it so easy for you guys. We have the bunkers, we work with so many different people that we can do that process not too long. The first thing to do is get the pre-approval, and then we go around neighborhoods, especially, I don't know, the place you're looking for, the houses, the prices, and it's an easy process. We can help you, so you can call us. You can call to my cell number, is 631-402-7319, and I'm available 24/7, so this is an easy process. So don't worry. Maybe you think it's gonna be hard for you. No, it's not. It's not like that. We have the people, the right people to work with. So don't worry, you can call us 231-8000 or 631-402-7319. Luis Vega, 631-402-7319.